And we have some more breaking news coming in. A day after Smriti Irani's Jija Ji ki nazar on Amethi remark, Robert Vadra posters emerged outside the Congress office in Amethi. Remember, the Congress party hasn't declared the candidates for Amethi and Raebareli till now, and Smriti Irani took a dig, saying that Robert Vadra is eyeing Amethi, and just a day after that, Robert Vadra's posters emerged outside the Congress office in Amethi. Let's take a look at this ground report from Amethi.
अमेठी लोकसभा में धीरे धीरे सियासी पारा बढ़ता जा रहा है। ये तस्वीरें आप देख सकते हैं, ये अमेठी का कांग्रेस कार्यालय है और यहाँ पर साफ साफ पोस्टर लगाए गए हैं कि अमेठी की जनता करे पुकार, रॉबर्ट वाड्रा अब की बार, निवेदक अमेठी की जनता। इस तरीके से कई पोस्टर लगाए गए हैं। अमेठी केंद्रीय कार्यालय पे लगाए गए हैं, बस स्टैंड पे लगाए गए हैं, सड़कों पे लगाए गए हैं। इसके साथ ही गौरीगंज स्थित केंद्रीय कांग्रेस कार्यालय पर भी ये पोस्टर लगाए गए हैं। जिस तरीके से रॉबर्ट वाड्रा कुछ दिन पूर्व अमेठी से चुनाव लड़ने का अंदेशा जाहिर किए थे और अभी कांग्रेस की तरफ से कोई प्रत्याशी यहां पर ऐलान नहीं किया गया है, वहीं अटकलें लगाई जा रही हैं कि 26 तारीख को वायनाड के चुनाव के बाद राहुल गांधी अमेठी आएंगे। ऐसे में ये जो पोस्टर लगाए गए हैं कि अमेठी की जनता करे पुकार, रॉबर्ट वाड्रा अब की बार, तो कहीं ना कहीं रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के लोगों की तरफ से या फिर अमेठी की जनता की तरफ से इस पोस्टर को लगाया गया है और ये मांग की जा रही है कि इस बार अमेठी के रण में रॉबर्ट वाड्रा आएंगे और ये कयास लगाया जा रहा है कि वायनाड के चुनाव के बाद इस सीट को लेकर नाम का ऐलान किया जाएगा।
And CNN News 18 Siddhant Mishra is now joining us on this story. Siddhant, what message do these posters of Robert Vadra send out, given that the candidates for Amethi and Raebareli haven't been declared yet?
Well, look, one thing is for sure that Robert Vadra wants to contest election from Amethi. In fact, in his interviews also in the past, he has made his intentions clear to contest election if given the chance. Now, there is a lot of buzz also that Rahul Gandhi could go for a second seat after elections in Wayanad and perhaps is likely to contest from Amethi. Amidst all this, these posters have emerged in Amethi. In fact, these posters have come up right outside the Congress office where they are saying that Robert Vadra ab ki baar. Now, that's kind of a messaging, and these posters must have been arranged by Robert Vadra supporters in Amethi. So, it's still not very clear as far as the local cadre of Congress party in Amethi is concerned that who is going to contest election from Amethi, because the cadre is still confused whether it's going to be Robert Vadra or whether it's going to be Rahul Gandhi. And this is perhaps the reason that these posters have come up, in support of Robert Vadra, that Robert Vadra should contest from Amethi. So, Congress party is in confusion. They are yet to decide. They are yet to give the candidate for the seat of Amethi, whether it's going to be Rahul Gandhi or somebody else. We don't know. But as far as Robert Vadra's candidature is concerned, or he has already shown interest in contesting elections from Amethi, and now these posters have also come up in Amethi. So it's up to the Congress party to come out and clarify that what's the position of the party as far as the seat of Amethi is concerned, and who is going to contest, and by when Amethi will get the candidate from the Congress party. Back to you.
All right, Siddhant, thank you so much for all those details. And Smriti Irani took a dig at the Congress party, saying that Robert Vadra is eyeing Amethi. Let's listen in.
चिंता करने की एक बात जरूर है राहुल गांधी को कुछ आए या ना आए, उनके जीजा जी के मुख से मैंने जगदीशपुर का नाम जरूर सुन लिया है। इसलिए जगदीशपुर की जनता तो सावधान हो जाए। अगर जीजा जी को जगदीशपुर सुरेश ध्यान में आ गया है, इसका मतलब एक एक गांव, एक एक घर, एक एक व्यक्ति अपना खेत का कागज छुपा ले।
And with that, we're now slipping into a very short break. We'll be right back.